Today is November 8th, and my husband's inside watching football, and I'm going to plant some flowers that you're supposed to plant between September and November, and then you'll see them around springtime. Anyways, each one has to be so deep into the ground, you have to read the instructions for each one, but I just wanted to show you how to do this, okay? So I did use like a drill to drill this down. My husband did pre-drill some of these. And these are going to be, and I did not put the dirt on top yet. Okay, so this one is a double tulip. And I'm going to put it into the ground with this top facing up. Okay. So I put double tulips all the way around. There's nothing here as far as plants or anything yet. So I just started, went all the way around. Okay, and then back here I have some other different types of flowers. And I'm just going to show you different tulips. So of course they're all purple. I'll put that in the ground. So about just probably about 3 or 4 inches into the ground is good enough, as long as you cover it with dirt. And I'm going to be covering it with dirt in a little bit, but I just wanted to show you. And what I did was I took the flowers that are taller and I put them in the back. Okay, so I put those in the back, and then in the front would be the shorter flowers like the tulips. Okay. So anyways, in April, I will make another video and show you the pretty purple flowers. If you like my channel, please subscribe.